A friend of mine is written as 4916. Mine lot of metal is written as 3109. And a piece of metal is written as 7163. How can 673 be written in the same code? First write everything what is given. A friend of mine 4916, mine and lot of metal 3109, and that last one, a piece of metal 7163. Now which number is common in all the three? 1. Which word is common in all the three? Off. So 1 will represent off. Okay. Now 1, you got one number. Now focus on 2 and 3. 2 and 3. So 1 is common and 3 is common. But 1 you already know off. So 3. Which are the two words which are common? Off and metal, right? So 3 will be metal then. Now focus on 1 and 3. And 1 and 3, what are the words common? A is for 6. How? Same logic. 1 and 6 are common. And here A and off are common. So off we already know. So second will be A, right? So A is 6. And from 3, 7 is piece. Okay? Because in 3 you know 1, you know 6, you know 3. So what remains? 7. So that 7 will be piece. Okay? So 673 will be written as what? A metal piece, or it can be a piece, a metal, or anything. The sequence is not important. All the three should be there. Okay?